As an efficient and precise manufacturing process, diecasting plays an indispensable role in meeting diverse needs across various fields. Hello, I'm from Sunrise Metal. Today, I'm excited to introduce our 1600-ton die-casting machine. This machine integrates a highly automated die-casting island, showcasing not only our investment in manufacturing equipment, but also fulfilling our commitment to product quality and customer demands. What is a 1600-ton die-casting machine? By injecting molten metal into pre-designed molds at high pressure, it rapidly cools and solidifies to form castings with specific shapes and high precision. A 1600-ton die-casting machine refers to one with an injection pressure of 1600 tons, meaning it can apply greater pressure to inject aluminum alloy material into the mold. This immense injection pressure ensures thorough filling of every space in the mold, thereby ensuring product quality and integrity. What are the key parameters of a 1600-ton die-casting machine? Clamping force. It is the force required to maintain mold sealing for precise metal injection. The clamping force of a 1600-ton die-casting machine is 16,000 kilonewtons. Injection force. It is the force exerted by the hydraulic system of the die-casting machine to pressurize and inject molten metal into the mold cavity, crucial for accurately and defect-free filling of the mold cavity. The injection force of a 1600-ton die-casting machine is 1285 kilonewtons. Casting pressure. This is the additional pressure applied during the boost phase of the metal injection stage, ensuring precise filling of the mold cavity. The casting pressure of a 1600-ton die-casting machine is 137 to 73 megapascals. What advantages can the 1600-ton die-casting machine provide for your products? Greater production capacity. It can handle larger sizes and heavier parts, thereby improving production efficiency. Higher pressure and strength. It can produce more complex parts and higher quality finished products. Wider range of applications. It can process a wider range of materials and types of parts, including large castings, automotive parts, industrial equipment parts, etc. Higher automation level. It can manage and monitor the production process more effectively, improving production efficiency and consistency. The 1600-ton die-casting machine not only enhances our manufacturing capabilities, but also provides feasibility for customers to produce larger components. Thanks to this, whether it's your large or small customized products, we can meet your needs with higher efficiency and better quality finished products. We are committed to establishing close partnerships with customers to ensure that our production capabilities and technical expertise perfectly match your requirements. That's all for today's sharing. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about die casting.